Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom cover access door. Then unscrew battery. Now remove and unplug battery. Next, unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Now unplug antenna cables and remove wireless card. Now unplug hard drive cable. Now unscrew and remove hard drive. Next, unscrew and remove caddy. Now unplug hard drive cable. Then unscrew and remove LCD cable bracket. Now unplug LCD cable. Next, unplug camera cable. Now unplug speaker cable. Then fully open the screen and lay the laptop face down. Now unscrew and remove LCD display assembly. Then unplug and remove DC jack. Now unplug and remove CMOS battery. Then unplug audio circuit board. Now unscrew and remove audio circuit board. Then unplug the LED circuit board. Now unplug the touchpad cable. Then unplug the keyboard cable. Now remove screws and turn over the laptop. Then turn the touchpad over and remove the cable. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Now unscrew and remove speaker. Using a small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry up and remove keyboard bezel. Now unscrew and remove keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.